Hey everybody, thank you so much for tuning in. Today's haul is a totally different haul than anything I've ever done on this channel because it is a full Dollar Tree grocery haul. I always purchase snacks and stuff that's in the regular aisles, never stuff that is in the refrigerators. And this all started because of my daughter's yogurt. So as we were making our way through Dollar Tree, she spotted her favorite yogurt and she kept pointing at it. I finally saw it and I was super shocked to see this at Dollar Tree, which brings me to my very first item, the Oikos Crunch Yogurt. These are my daughter's favorite. She loves them, and this is a really good bargain. So I normally purchase this at ShopRite, and they're $1.29 right now. So it was really nice to see this at Dollar Tree, even though it's only 29 cents. That definitely adds up with something that you buy frequently. So I was really happy to see this. The expiration date is freaking perfect. You can't ask for a better deal than this. I also purchased this 4-pack of Dannon yogurts. They come in strawberry and vanilla. My daughter also loves these, but I couldn't find the prices in stores for this 4-pack, so I don't know how much they are, but 4 yogurts for $1 is a really good sale. For my last refrigerator item, so I can go ahead and put this away, I got the Armor Lunch Maker. They're like Lunchables. I personally like these a lot more. And these aren't actually for my daughter, they're for me. I love keeping them around because whenever I have to take medication or whenever I'm in a hurry, these come in so handy. Now I know it is a lot cheaper to just buy your own ham and get some cookie cutters and cut them into the shape of these and put them in reusable containers. But sometimes I really have no time for that. So my daughter does snack on these sometimes, so do I. These were $1 at Dollar Tree, obviously, and they're $1.39 each at ShopRite. So another great bargain. One of my favorite desserts in the whole wide world is German chocolate cake. Now I know that this box cake is not going to compare, especially since it doesn't really bring a mix for the frosting that's supposed to go on there, but it does bring the recipe. And like I said, I know it's not going to be authentic, but I remember buying this before and it was $3 in stores and it's only $1, so this is another great bargain. My husband's work schedule is super crazy, so he's developed the very bad habit of drinking energy drinks, and we've been buying Red Bull for $2.50, close to $3 each.
Red Bull! It gives me wings!
So it was really nice to see Rockstar energy drink at Dollar Tree. Now I know you shouldn't be drinking energy drinks, but if you're gonna drink them, you might as well pay the best possible cost for them. Paying $1 versus $2.50 is way better in my book.
Shazam! I love this drink! Thank you, Red Bulls!
I found McCormick's seafood cooking sauce. This was really nice to find. I don't know how much they are in regular stores, but my husband is always bringing back home fish. He works in a station and he's constantly fishing on his time off. So it's really nice to have a quick way of seasoning them. Of course, I season them with just salt, pepper, lemon, but this is a really nice option when you want to switch it up. This is the first time that I purchased any bread type product from the Dollar Tree, but as I walked down the aisle, the smell was so nice. This pack brings 4 cinnamon bagels. They also have plain, but this is the cheapest I've seen a pack of bagels. Unless you're going to an actual deli and buying each bagel for $1, this is the cheapest you can get it. Speaking of bread products, I also bought this ultra thin pizza crust. I'm actually really excited to use it. It says it can be used on the grill. However, I think I'm gonna stick to using it in the oven. I really like thin crust pizza, and I recently bought fresh mozzarella and basil, so I might be making this for dinner tonight. Along with the pizza crust, I'm going to be using the Rinaldi pizza sauce, and it's really nice to see that it's not that many ingredients on here. It's just tomato puree, salt, extra virgin olive oil, spices, dried garlic, and dried onion, so that's really nice. I can't wait to try it. So I actually ended up preparing it for dinner, and I used fresh mozzarella, basil, and some bacon that my husband had picked up. And I'm going to tell you right now, the sauce tastes delicious, but I wish it was a little bit thicker. The pizza crust itself tastes delicious, but I do recommend baking it a little longer than suggested to get that real thin crust pizza texture. But overall, I was super duper happy with the way that this turned out, especially for $1. So this is what it looks like when it comes out of the oven. Aria, you like the pizza? You do? It's yummy?
Okay.
Pizza.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Pizza.
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 Pizza. Do you like it? Yum. Something else that I was super duper excited to see because it's one of my daughter's favorites. It's the banana nut Cheerios. She loves everything bananas and anything Cheerios, so this made me really happy to see it in stores, especially for $1. I also found a full-size Golden Graham. This is more for me. I don't want to stuff her with sweets, but I really love this cereal, so it was nice to still see it in stores. So here in Long Island, it's a lot easier to find things that I couldn't find in Virginia, and one of those things is guava paste. So when I saw this at Dollar Tree, I got so excited. When we moved to Virginia, my mother-in-law had to mail this to us so that I can make pastelitos de guayaba. If you haven't seen that video, check it out. I look like a total doofus in it. But if you're from Miami or anywhere like Miami, you will totally relate to that video. Because today I miss Miami. And what do I do when I miss Miami? I put tiki music in the background, I dress this ridiculous, and I make pastelitos de guayaba. But I was really excited. The size is nice because I never use a whole thing when I'm making the pastelitos, and I was just really excited and happy to see this there. I purchased more of the ham seasoning. I did mention this in a previous haul. I love using this in canned beans. With a little bit of adobo and one of these, it tastes just like homemade. I promise you that. So if you do see these, please purchase them because in regular stores, these are $1.50, so you are saving 50 cents just picking them up at Dollar Tree. I was so excited. I mean, so excited to see Vita Coco at Dollar Tree. Not to mention, it is 11.1 ounces, which is what it usually comes in, so it's not smaller. And the one that I found was my favorite flavor, which is the one with the added pineapple. On the Target website, a pack of 4 of these are $6.49, so it was really nice to see these for $1. I really hope that this is one of those things that they keep year-round and that they keep stocking in stores. Another thing that I thought was really cool was the LaCroix sparkling water. At first, they only had the lime, then when I went to another store, I found the berry. These are my favorite. They're so yummy. And for $1, you're getting 1.8 fluid ounces. These cookies were my favorite growing up. Now, I'm not sure if this is the exact brand. I know that those that I loved when I was growing up were an off-brand as well, but I love cookies that have weird filling like strawberry, banana, vanilla, that they're not the traditional Oreos. So I was really psyched to see these in stores and in such a big pack. I really hope that they are delicious. I also purchased some hamburger helper. I love to keep this in my cabinet. I don't always make stuff like this, but every now and then when I just don't have time to cook, something like this just brings me back to my childhood, to that lovely time when you can eat junk food and no one said anything. Same goes for these Hungry Jack potatoes. They are some of my favorite things to eat, especially when I have guests over. They actually taste really good. My sister, I don't know exactly how she does it, but she makes it taste like it is homemade. So I'm gonna have to ask her for her recipe, but it's definitely using these boxes. They are so yummy. So let me show you some of the stuff that I found in stores that I didn't necessarily pick up, but I still think is a really good bargain. So I found Heinz hot and spicy ketchup and French's yellow mustard, which is an amazing find, along with Deli Market spicy brown mustard. And these are all full size, along with Wishbone and Kraft salad dressings. These are a really nice size as well and great for only $1. They had Swanson soup makers and McCormick chicken and beef gravy. I always see the Suddenly salad, and I found quite a few individual envelopes as well as Old Orchard cranberry juice. They had 42-ounce bottles of the Arizona lemon tea and 52-ounce bottles of the sweet tea. And if you're a baker, they had imperial butter, which is not cheap in stores and the best butter for baking. They also had other brands of yogurt. So that's it for me. I really hope that you enjoy this haul. Let me know in the comments below what you buy at Dollar Tree rather than buying at a traditional grocery store. I really want to know because now I'm so excited for all of the options. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and until next time.